Frequent flyer, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. Today we're here to do unboxing, y'all. We got the bat knife on deck. We got this semi truck from Turbo Racing, y'all. 176 scale, I think. Yes, it's 176 scale. And I'm really excited about this, y'all. We have this one right here. I really like this one, but I just had to go with this one. Let's get this guy open. I'm anxious to see what it looks like. Double-bladed bat knife still on deck. So we have this box here. I'm guessing this is the container, the trailer on the back. Yes, this is the container. It tells you right there. Sit this in the background here. Instructions and all. The steps on how to put the container together. Sit that down. This transmitter here. Different style transmitter. I wonder if I'm still going to be able to hook this thing up to a pistol grip transmitter. Controller. So transmitter looks nice. Let's see if you... No batteries. It takes double A's. 4 of them. We got some pots right here. Wow. We got trims and all right here. We got switches right here. This is a 3-position switch right here on the right. 3-position switch. 3-position switch on the left. We have some shoulder buttons here. So pretty nice looking transmitter. I like this. No antenna for the transmitter. Let's sit this thing down. We got a USB-C to USB-C cable here with some stickers, it looks like. Oh, something metal in there. Not sure what that is yet. We have a USB to USB Type-C connector. And we have the bottom half of the trailer or the container. And lastly, we have the actual truck here. Wow. So my first impressions on this thing is that it's still small. I don't know why, but looking at the videos or whatnot on YouTube, this thing looks a little bigger. I expected it to be larger, but this thing is really small. I really like that. That's a good thing. 176 scale. I don't know what I was thinking about, but this thing is still tiny. And the wheels are rubberized, it feels like. Yep, the wheels are rubberized. Looks awesome, y'all. We got a little guy in there in the cab. Awesome little truck. So that's all we get in the box. This was just a quick unboxing video to show you guys what is included with this thing. So I definitely look forward to putting this container back here together and everything, and showing you guys a little running video of this and detailing the operations and all. The Turbo Racing semi truck, 176 scale. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching.